Hi, today is 29th of June, and I'm going to do a very short analysis. Actually, I'm on vacation. So, going forward, this is not much different. Data has not changed much between how we saw it earlier in the BTST video, which was uploaded at 3 p.m. So, you will find it in the upper right hand corner. Going forward, I think as we had already taken trades in AU Bank and Marico definitely closed at all-time high. So other than that, there is also some strength in Power Grid was one of the company which we took very early today, and we were able to see a very good closing. Going forward, I am pretty sure that companies like Emphasis and Power Grid is going to run in the very short term, and maybe there is some. I will be definitely tracking these two openings. And other than that, there was a profit booking in UBL. So if you still have positions, you should try to come out of it. If I was having a position, then definitely I will try to book profit. And also this is true for LSC Housing Finance. And in general, you can see of all the companies which are in over here in the top branch, they are all not that much in. Most of them are not even in Nifty 50. Other than Hindustan Unilever, this was a good trade. We it went towards 2500. So you can also have a look in here. But the positions, and this is also true for Divi's Lab, say for example, I think Godrej JCP is trying to maintain the 880 levels, but there is definitely a weakness. As you can see, there was a very good profit booking from 900 levels, and going forward, this is also true for Bharat Forge, and there was a profit booking also in Motherson Sumi. So maybe going forward, I will try to track Motherson Sumi for some long positions and buying in dips. The market is definitely poised to not chase breakouts, and rather it's something which is very much poised for going for buying dips. And one of the very good companies which came is Torrent Power. Actually, if you see the power sector, like NTPC is over here, and you have Tata Power over here and Torrent Power over here. So I think going forward, and Power Grid, so basically going forward, energy sector, or rather the power sector, can actually play a good role in the coming days. And Reliance, the good thing about is Reliance has some very good some positions are getting added in Reliance. And as I said, that we have to check. You can also find the analysis which I did for Reliance, and I will attach it in the upper right hand corner. I just did an analysis 5 minutes ago, so that should also be helpful for you to figure out the next moves and the next levels in Reliance. From here, we can see that companies like SCL Tech, TCS, who were trending towards the day low, they came in here in the mid section. So some sort of it's more like there were some in positions which are getting added. And also this is also true for a company like NMDC, where there was a very good profit booking from 185 levels. As I'm saying, always track 185 from NMDC for a breakout, and I'm pretty sure that given the way this stock has been behaving, the breakout can be coming very soon. Other than that, Aarti Industry was able to get a support at 860, and also this Britannia IRCTC posted its result, and so the move would be result based, and so theoretically there's no opinion that I should be giving for Aarti Industry. Let's going forward, I think one of the companies which is really having a hard time is HDFC Life, is unable to sustain 700 levels. This was also discussed in Market Watch multiple times throughout the day today, and so I'm not going to discuss it more over here. It's also true for Apollo Tire, that was facing a problem at 235 levels, which is a strong resistance. Companies like M&M, you can see, and also like ICICI GI, so they are sort of trying to get some support from the lower levels, but they really look weak. And also true for State Bank of India. I will suggest to track 418 and 415 levels for State Bank of India. But given the fact that you can see that most of the auto companies like M&M and Bajaj Auto definitely had a very bad breakdown, and but I've created some positions in cash in higher levels, and I'm pretty sure that this company is going to reverse pretty soon, hopefully. Because from the data point of view, I really don't see why this such a selling is coming in auto. So maybe there will be a short covering very soon in the auto sector, and these companies together with Maruti also should be somewhere over here. So theoretically this should not be a big problem for me. And Muthoot Finance had a breakdown. We were able to predict it in yesterday night, and this is exactly what happened. That after opening with a gap up, it was not able to sustain, and it closed near the day's low. Going forward, as I said, National Alam is one of the companies which you should be tracking the 78 levels, and it seems like though this it formed a really red sort of a candle, but still, it's more like some move is definitely pending in National Alam. Other than that, you can see all the companies over here, just like ONGC, IOC. The oil sector companies, OMCs, they were absolutely they all closed at near day's high. Sale got IOC got some support at 109 levels, and similarly ONGC was unable to close above 120. So this has been ongoing since 120 to 124 levels. This is what ONGC has been doing since a few sessions. So yeah, so that's it. So you can see that there are many big names from Nifty 50 who are here, just like Tech Mahindra is here, Bajaj Auto is here. Other than that, ICICI Bank is here, Kotak Bank is here. ONGC is here, SAIL is here. So it was the very Trent had a very good run, 880, and then it closed at 860. So forget the trend part. So basically you can understand that many of these big sectors and big names in the Nifty 50. Here you can see M&M, JSW Steel, ICICI GI, and State Bank of India. Maruti is also right, TVS Motor, Axis Bank. So in general, I think I really don't understand why people are saying that the market is strong, because from what I see, even if Axis Bank was down only 0.5%, but when you see such a big red candle, which means it's not able to sustain on the higher levels. And when you even see a small wick from 750 to 753, just 3 rupees a wick. So basically it seems like there are also not much buyers interested. From a very good reversal point of view, if you are looking for, I would suggest you to have a look in companies like CUB. This was definitely a very good reversal. Also you can see that Balakrishna Industries also is trying to make a move, because this is more of a doji spinning top which was made today. Britannia is one of the companies which had a very good fall in the morning, and then eventually it was able to close above. So Britannia is really looking good from a reversal point of view. And other than that, ITC is the same thing. 200 205 is absolutely, I don't I don't actually have a never look into ITC. It's not worth my trading. It's not worth my time. And Torrent Power, I think, I already discussed. So this company also had a sort of very good reversal, and maybe in the very short term, Torrent Power and Tata Power, they will try to do some move in the next session. But yeah, so overall you can see that if you look in the very top over here, you can see the only companies are like Asian Paint and Dr. Reddy, Nestle India, Godrej, JCP also are selling. So basically Cipla made an all-time high. So this is also one of the stocks you should be keeping in track. So going forward, I think the strategy is simple. If you want to consider only 2-3 companies, just stick with AU Bank and try to see if it reverses, and if the up move which came today continues. And this is also true for Marico, which had a very good run. Apollo Hospital may face some immediate resistance at 3600, so it depends on the opening. And it's also true for company like Power Grid is definitely one of the companies you should be I would definitely be tracking. Thanks a lot for listening. Hope this video is going to help you. As usual, please consult your financial advisor before making any investment, as these are just pure speculations. And I'm going on vacation, so unfortunately I won't be able to post any videos once I come back from vacation. Maybe over the weekend on Sunday late evening, maybe I would get internet access and I would be able to create more videos. And I would be tweeting in Twitter as and when I get some notification from my software, but definitely there won't be any videos, so all the information will be only available in my Twitter for the next one or two trading for the next 2-3 trading sessions. Thanks a lot for listening, and I wish you a very great week ahead. Bye bye.